Hey, what's going on, you guys? Joshua Elder here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make $1,000 a day with YouTube ads and affiliate marketing. So this is something I haven't released before. I've been working in the background for the past 2 years, mastering YouTube ads, and I'm going to reveal this 3-step formula, the same formula that I've used over the past month and generated nearly $44,000 inside of my own business. So if you're looking forward to the content in this video, go ahead, give me a like, go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, because in this channel we teach you how to live a life and really build a business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump to my computer and let's show you this whole entire process. All right, so this is the simple 3-step process that I've been using for the past month to bring in $1,000 per day with YouTube ads. And as you guys can see, it's pretty dang simple. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you kind of a 30,000 foot overview. And then I'm going to actually show you the opt-in page that I use, the case study page that I use, and even the booking call page that I use. You can also close people through Messenger, which is pretty cool. So number one, you need to obviously have traffic in the front door. So a lot of you guys know that I leverage, organic traffic from YouTube. And that traffic is great, but I have to put up, consistent videos to maintain my income and to maintain consistent traffic. So to solve this problem, what we do is we actually pay with our money versus our time for traffic. So there's many different ways that you can get traffic, aka eyeballs to your website. You can use Facebook, you can use Google, blogs, you can use forums, you can use Pinterest. I like to use YouTube just because it's the easiest way to build a relationship with people, and it really is the highest quality of traffic out there on the internet. So what I decided to do is I decided to place what's called a YouTube ad, which is an ad that will show either before a YouTube video, during a YouTube video, or even after a YouTube video. And what's so great about these ads is people have to watch at least 30 seconds of the ad before you're charged, and you can pay per view. So I tend to pay anywhere between like 5 cents all the way up to 20 cents per view on my videos. But again, I don't have to pay unless somebody watches 30 seconds of my video. So I'm actually going to show you what a YouTube ad looks like, but let me just kind of take this step by step for you. So you send people from a YouTube ad to what's called an opt-in page. An opt-in page, of course, is a page in which you get people to opt in for something. So you make a promise that they're going to get something in exchange for a name and an email address. So again, I'll show you what my opt-in page looks like. I'll show you what my big promise is, what I'm giving away for free. But that's the purpose of an opt-in page, is to gather information. Typically, when you send people to a website, they can pretty much click on a bunch of different links, which distracts people. The whole purpose of an opt-in page is to get people to do one thing, and that's enter their information. Once they enter their information, then what you can do is you can send them what's called follow-up emails. So you can see that I have about 4 emails right here that will be sent automatically on my behalf through a autoresponder, which is a service that you can use to not only log names and email addresses, but mass email them and add that automation where you actually don't have to send the email out on your behalf. It's sent out automatically. So for example, this would be email on day 1, email day 2, day 3, and day 4, so on and so forth. So from there, after they obviously enter their name and email address in the opt-in page, they start receiving these follow-up emails to build a relationship, with that prospect and eventually get them to buy. You then send them to a case study page. And the case study page is to take that person that is probably, really doesn't know who you are, to get them to like you, to demonstrate that you're an expert, to give them value, and then make a call to action, whether it be to buy something, whether it be to book a call, whether it be to, maybe, continue with another video. Each funnel is a little bit different, but typically the second step is always to demonstrate, once again, that you are an expert, and then actually show people results and then make a call to action, which in this case, we ask people to book a call with us. The reason why we ask them to book a call with us is because we're promoting and selling a product that's above about $2,000. If you're selling a product above or that's equal to 2,000 bucks, you typically need to jump on the phone, have a conversation with somebody before they're comfortable enough to just buy something from you. Now, I've managed to do this pretty successfully on my YouTube channel, but that's typically after people watch anywhere between like 3 all the way up to about 10 videos, and they're like, okay, I'm going to, purchase this product. Well, this process is very simple because you can create less content, you can build a relationship faster via the phone, and make those consistent and predictable sales. So let's go ahead and let's show you the actual assets that I use to create these $1,000 days. So number one, once again, you send them from a traffic source. In this case, it was from a YouTube ad. And so this is a preview of an ad that I'm currently running that's producing tremendous results. And you can actually see right here that there is a learn more link right in the middle of the video. So here's a bigger look at it. So this is just an example. So it's not actually going to show the button, but if you were able to see this, this ad live, then there's a blue button you would be able to click right here. So again, the purpose of an ad is to hook people into the ad, get them to watch it, give them value, and then get them to click and go on to, of course, the opt-in page, which is going to be this specific page right here. So you can see this is a free training that I'm giving away. It says how I predictably get 10 to 20 high ticket sales every single month promoting other people's products. And they can enter their email address below to get access. So again, they can only go through one single path. They enter their email here. They click Get Started Now, and then it sends them to the case study video, in which, once again, I show testimonials, I show my own results, I give value, and the whole purpose of the video is to really get people to book a call with me at the end. And then I send people straight to the Schedule Your Breakthrough Strategy session booking page right here. So again, we were right on the case study page, from the case study page, which is this page right here, to the booking page. So again, if people decide not to book a call with me right from the get-go, that's okay. I can send a sequence of emails, again, building more of a relationship. They're probably maybe skeptical. They're like, I don't know if this guy's legit. So I can provide little tidbits of value in these emails and then send people back the case study page, book a call with me or one of my coaches, and then I can actually, get them to, buy on the phone right there and then following a proven script. So most of you guys can't just go out there and implement this, right? You have to learn Google AdWords. You have to learn how to set everything up. You have to learn either how to get on the phone and sell, or hire somebody else to sell for you. How would you like to copy my whole entire system? How would you like to copy my opt-in page, my case study page, the booking page, even possibly hire my own sales guy, or even I'll show you how to outsource the sales process to somebody else so somebody else can get on the phone and sell. This is probably the most predictable way to generate a consistent income with affiliate marketing. Now, the last thing that you will need that I didn't include here is you need a product that's going to allow you to make those high ticket commissions. So what if you can actually promote an affiliate product that's $2,000, but make $2,000? And that's what I've been able to do. Most products out there in the affiliate marketing space, if you're doing paid advertising, you're selling like a $2,000 product, you're only getting like 50% commission, so you're only making $1,000. So if you're spending $1,500 to acquire a $2,000 sell and you make $1,000 commission, you actually lose $500. But if you can keep all the money, you can spend more to make more. It doesn't matter if you're making $20 or $500, you just keep feeding the funnel, right? So how would you actually like to have access to a product and a system where you can earn big $2,000 commissions and keep all of the money? Well, if you would like access to this whole entire business model, you would like to copy my ads, you would like to copy my funnel, click the link below, join my team, and I'm going to give you access to all of these assets. I hope you got value from this video. If you did, please give me a like. Please comment below if you have any questions. And I can't wait to see you on the inside. This is something, once again, I've been testing for the past few years. I spent well over $50,000 plus just testing YouTube ads. And now I finally mastered it, as you've seen in the proof. And I can't wait to show this to other people that really want to grab it. and leverage it. So with that said, subscribe, like, comment, click the link below if you want access to this, and we will see you in the next video. Take care.